Welcome to our exploration of the halogens, one of the most fascinating groups in the periodic table. The halogens occupy group 17 and are known as highly reactive nonmetals. These elements play crucial roles in chemistry, biology, and everyday life. The name halogen comes from Greek words meaning salt former, because these elements readily form salts when they react with metals. Group 17 contains 5 naturally occurring elements. Starting from the top, we have fluorine with atomic number 9, chlorine with atomic number 17, bromine with atomic number 35, iodine with atomic number 53, and astatine with atomic number 85. Each of these elements has unique properties, but they all share common characteristics that define them as halogens. Astatine is extremely rare and radioactive, so most discussions focus on the first 4 elements. All halogens share several key characteristics. First, they have 7 valence electrons in their outermost shell, following the configuration ns squared np to the power of 5. This electron configuration makes them highly reactive nonmetals, as they need just one more electron to achieve a stable octet. They readily form -1 anions by gaining that single electron. In nature, halogens exist as diatomic molecules, meaning 2 atoms bonded together, like F2 or Cl2. This is because they are so reactive that they immediately bond with another atom of the same element. As we move down group 17, several important trends emerge. Reactivity decreases down the group, with fluorine being the most reactive element of all. This happens because the outer electrons are farther from the nucleus in larger atoms, making it harder to attract additional electrons. Atomic radius increases as we go down, following the general trend of the periodic table. Melting and boiling points increase with atomic mass, which is why the physical states change from gas to liquid to solid. Electronegativity, the ability to attract electrons, decreases down the group, with fluorine having the highest electronegativity of any element. The halogens have a unique distinction in the periodic table. They are the only group that contains elements in all 3 states of matter at room temperature. Fluorine and chlorine are gases, appearing as pale yellow and yellow-green respectively. Bromine is the only nonmetal that exists as a liquid at room temperature, with a distinctive reddish-brown color. Iodine and astatine are solids, with iodine forming shiny purple-black crystals. This progression from gas to liquid to solid, as we move down the group, demonstrates how intermolecular forces strengthen with increasing molecular size. Let's focus on 2 particularly important halogens. Fluorine is the most reactive element in the entire periodic table and has the highest electronegativity of any element. It appears as a pale yellow gas with a pungent odor and reacts violently with almost everything it contacts. Chlorine is the most commonly encountered halogen in everyday life. It's a yellow-green gas with a sharp, distinctive smell. Chlorine is widely used in water treatment and disinfection, making it essential for public health. Both elements are extremely dangerous in their pure forms and must be handled with great care. Despite their reactivity and potential dangers, halogens have numerous beneficial applications. Fluoride compounds are added to toothpaste and drinking water to prevent tooth decay by strengthening tooth enamel. Chlorine is used extensively to disinfect drinking water and swimming pools, killing harmful bacteria and viruses. Iodine serves as an antiseptic for treating wounds and is essential for thyroid gland function in our bodies. The chemical industry uses halogens to produce a wide range of products, including plastics, pharmaceuticals, and refrigerants. These applications demonstrate how we've learned to harness the reactive nature of halogens for practical purposes. Let's summarize the most important points about halogens. First, their 7 valence electrons make them highly reactive, always seeking one more electron to complete their outer shell. Second, reactivity decreases as we move down the group, with fluorine being the most reactive, followed by chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Third, halogens are unique as the only group displaying all 3 states of matter at room temperature. Finally, these reactive nonmetals are essential for many biological and industrial processes, from dental health to water purification. Understanding the halogens gives us insight into chemical reactivity, periodic trends, and the practical applications of chemistry in our daily lives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.